Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. A lot of controversy is going on regarding the playing of national anthem, particularly in Tamilnadu state. Now the controversy is whether national anthem should be played before the address of the governor and after the completion of the same. This is the question. So you can give different replies also. And of course, one of my friends said, if you don't play the national anthem, it is insult to the so-called act. So insult to and dignitaries act అని ఉంది కదా, దాని కింద అఫెన్స్ అని చెప్పాను. అదే అవునా కాదా అనేది లాస్ట్లో చెప్తాను కేసులో కూడా. రైట్, ముందు ఇన్సిడెంట్ చూద్దాం. ఆన్ 6/1/2025, Tamilnadu Governor R.N. Ravi, he was an IPS officer. R.N. Ravi, Tamilnadu Governor, he has abruptly left the Legislative Assembly Hall from Madras without delivering the speech on the first day of the assembly. Normally, it is a customary practice that the opening session will be by the governor. He will address the gathering. Then after that, the regular budget sessions will start. Normally budget sessions there. You all know that the government and the governor or Raj Bhavan, they are at loggerheads. Right from the beginning, when Ravi took charge. So Raj Bhavan says, by not playing the national anthem, the constitution, the fundamental right, and also the duty, fundamental duty of respecting the national anthem was insulted. Right? Now the point has come, whether national anthem has to be played. Now please the circular given by the Home Ministry. Right? The Ministry of External Affairs, Home Ministry, they clearly say that national anthem has to be played when the salute is given. That means January 26th and August 15th. Then when the president or governor or the left governor, so when they address on ceremonial occasions, whether first day of the assembly is a ceremonial occasion or not, this is to be decided by the state and not by the other persons. This is my. So in this connection, actually, I want to tell you a case law also previously. I think on 29/1/2019, the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, the then Chief Minister and Governor, all of them visited Madurai and laid foundation for All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Madurai. PM, CM and Governor, yes. At the time also, the national anthem was not played. Aggrieved by this, a woman advocate, that is Selvi Vembu, she filed a case against the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to impose certain rules and also impose certain punishment for not respecting the national flag and also national anthem. In that connection, Madras High Court clearly stated that Article 51A of the Constitution of India clearly says that respect the national anthem. If you don't respect, you will be punished and ekkada chepala. There is nowhere it is mentioned. It is a customary practice. You have to give respect. You might have come across the so-called Bijoy Emmanuel case. There also, the so-called Christian people belonging to certain dynasty, they don't say any word except God, except Jesus. They will rise up, but they don't recite the national anthem. It's not very clear. So therefore, since it is a customary practice, we can't help you, we can't give directions to the government. Like that, Madras High Court said in the IA 2019. The case is Selvi Vembu versus State, represented by Joint Secretary, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, 2019. Coming to the practice in Tamil Nadu, please remember, actually in July 1991, Madam Jayalalitha, the then Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, she introduced the state anthem in the beginning. So first the playing of state anthem, then governor's address, then after it is completed, national anthem will be played. Prior to that, actually there is no procedure. Governor used to come, then he address the gathering, then go away. That's all. Deliver the speech and leave. Then practice in the other states. Please remember, in Nagaland, till 2018, please remember, till 2021, till 2020 February, national anthem was not at all played for several decades. Even in Tripura, 2018, it is in practice. So please remember, these are all conventions. These are all customary practices. One should not be so rigid about the same. Of course, it is the governor, we should not comment. It is the other side, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, which is not our state. But anyway, when things are happening like that, better to know the legal position. So, punishment is not at all prescribed anywhere. If you don't play national anthem, you will be punished. It's not there anywhere. We can't do anything. Right? Anyway, so this is a political stunt. This goes on. Okay. Anyway, I'm stopping here. Thank you.